NBC29 forecast.
Well, after yesterday's rain, certainly a lot of fog this morning. A foggy start to November. Kim Titus captured that shot from her vantage point in Crozet, and it took a while for some of that dense fog to dissipate. The sun angle gets a little higher and help work away on that fog. Look at this morning. Tanya Brooks at Walnut Creek Park. You can't even really make out the horizon there with all the fog that was in place. So again, visibility is well under a quarter of a mile. We're currently 72 at the airport. The sun is down now. Northwesterly winds at 6. Of course, a drier air mass than where we were 24 hours ago. The airport hit 77 today. That's a whopping 12 degrees above an average daytime high for early November. 64 right now at the Valley Airport in Weeders Cave. Touched 72 for high this afternoon. Some other numbers: 68 in Madison, 67 there in Palmyra, same in Louisa, 64 in Waynesboro, and 64 currently in Harrisonburg. Well, yesterday's rain at the airport was a quarter of an inch. Wrapped up the month of October with just over an inch and 3/10. Average would be just over 3 1/3. So a deficit we finished October with was just under 2 inches. Now for the calendar year thus far, with 10 months completed, just under 36 inches of moisture. Average today would be just over 35, so we have a little surplus of just under 6/10 of an inch. Temperatures here tonight in the mid to upper 40s. We'll start with clear skies, but then more clouds will start to filter in. Enough to call it partly cloudy. Yes, some patchy fog, but it should not be as dense and widespread as it was this morning. Now for highs tomorrow, it's still mild. It's just not as warm as it was today. Only around 70 here in Charlottesville, upper 60s to a near 70 across central Virginia, middle 60s in the Shenandoah Valley. A lot more cloud cover here for Wednesday. More sunshine's back for Thursday, but similar temperatures, generally a northeasterly wind. And then we'll see temperatures climb even higher for Friday, and this first weekend in November looks quite warm. Here we are with the satellite and radar combination. Not a whole lot to see. Most of the clouds from this afternoon are beginning to dissipate, and we'll have mostly clear skies for a while, but you'll notice these clouds that are gathered down through the Tennessee River Valley. Those will start to overspread our skies here late tonight and be with us tomorrow, part of a disturbance that'll come through. But high pressure building to our north will likely influence our weather pattern over the next several days. Look at the spike of warmth that across the midsection of the country. That's kind of the flavor of our forecast in terms of temperatures as we get into the late week and upcoming weekend. This is Tropical Storm Martin, and while not a threat to any landmass and will likely become a hurricane, it will impact some of the shipping lanes of the central and North Atlantic. It's over 600 miles east-northeast of the island of Bermuda. Meanwhile, Tropical Storm Lisa is rapidly intensifying. Winds now 65 miles an hour, will become a hurricane, will make landfall near the Belize coast sometime tomorrow afternoon or evening, and that will impact certainly Central America. Temperatures here in the morning in the 40s, some fog early. Again, a lot of cloud cover here for tomorrow. Not as warm, but mild, 65 to around 70. Then we'll start Thursday morning in the 40s, Thursday afternoon, 65 to around 70 with more sunshine. Patchy fog tonight, partly cloudy. We're in the 40s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. A warm early November stretch of days. Look at these temperatures this weekend. We could have mid, maybe some upper 70s. Don't forget, this is the weekend we fall back 1 hour as daylight saving time ends. And early next week, we'll have to track maybe some showers in here with a cooling trend maybe by a week from today.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you. We will be right back.